Hey everyone, Allison here. Today I'm getting behind the wheel of my Mercedes-Benz GLS Coupe to test out a tire from Hankook's Dynapro line, the Evo All Season. Hankook says the tire is built to deliver grip, responsive handling, and braking I can trust no matter the conditions. So I've really been looking forward to this. Let's hit the road and see how this tire holds up. The first thing I noticed is how stable these tires make driving feel, especially when I pick up speed. Hankook built the Dynapro evo All Season with features like Wave 3D sipes in the center and Interlocking Band 3D sipes on the shoulders, both designed to increase tread block density and keep the tread stable and responsive under pressure, enhancing both braking and handling performance. The tire has shallow dashed grooves that segment the tread vertically while keeping it connected horizontally. Hankook says this balance keeps the tire rigid and the outer shoulder blocks firm during cornering, which helps maintain its shape and keeps contact with the road. That wider contact patch means I get sharp, stable turns. On a day like today, the tire responds predictably and handles well. Even if the road was wet or if there was a little bit of snow, this tire has you covered. Hankook made the Dynapro evo All Season with a new high silica all-season compound that maximizes braking performance on both dry and wet surfaces. Thanks to the compound, I feel more in control when braking. That should give drivers reassurance, especially if weather conditions change fast and often where they live. That extra braking power comes from more than just the compound, though. The tire also uses proprietary Wave 3D sipes and Interlocking Band 3D sipes, which helps to increase tread block density and minimize deformation when braking. That means better grip and shorter stopping distances on both dry or wet roads. In fact, Hankook did the testing themselves and found that this tire improved wet braking by 6% and dry braking by 3% over the category leaders in the performance SUV segment. After putting some miles on the Hankook Dynapro evo All Season, I can say it delivers exactly what you would want from a performance all-season tire. Luxury SUVs are designed to perform at the highest level, which is why tire performance features like sharp handling, confident braking, impressive cornering, and grip that holds up in all conditions aren't optional. That's why luxury SUV owners like me have come to expect it. So if you're looking for an all-season tire for your luxury SUV that gives you confidence year-round in real-world situations, go with the Dynapro evo All Season.